Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how to complete this Curt Hitch installation. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. Begin by removing the tow loop on the passenger side using a 14mm socket. There are two fasteners on the outside of the frame rail and one on the underneath. You may want an extension for ease. Use your offhand to secure the tow loop so it does not fall on you. Return this to the vehicle owner. It will not be reinstalled. I have discovered that lowering the exhaust makes this installation much easier, so I recommend you do that now as opposed to waiting like I did. Support it with a strap. Use exhaust hanger pliers to lower 3 rubber isolators. Use soapy water to assist if needed. The first isolator is located here at the rear crossmember. Number 2, on the driver's side, we will want the isolator to come down with the exhaust to give us clearance. Number 3 is here at the passenger side, facing the opposite direction, but you can still access it in this manner. You're now ready to raise the hitch into position. I will be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I would recommend getting a second set of hands. Align the mounting holes to the hitch to the mounting holes on the vehicle. Now use your M10 hardware and small conical tooth washers with the teeth facing the hitch. Next will be to install your 1/2-inch carriage bolt and custom spacer plate. The bolt will pass through the plate first from the outside of the vehicle inward. Now thread on 2 1/2-inch flange nuts with the teeth facing the hitch. The driver's side, you will find the carbon canister in the way, so we will access it from between the trim panel and behind the wheel well. Now thread on your remaining flange nuts. You are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications, which I will link in the description below. I will begin with the M10 hardware, a 17mm socket, and again, an extension for ease of access. For the 1/2-inch hardware, switch to a 19mm socket and increase your torque wrench to the manufacturer's specifications. Return the exhaust back to position. And don't forget to remove your strap. Now that the hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the receiver is 2.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.